Ever wondered how real gold was made into paint? Long valued for its untarnished beauty, gold leaf has adorned art for centuries. But turning gold into brushable paint was a challenge that called for ingenuity. You see, gold is too soft for traditional grinding methods, so artists developed unique techniques. Nepalese Thangka painters burned gold leaf with dried dung, then washed the ash to recover the metal. Medieval European artists used salt to grind gold leaf or mixed it with honey, dissolving it in water to create shell gold, named for the oyster shells that held it. In Japanese Kintsugi, artists ground gold leaf with malt syrup, later dissolving the syrup with water to collect the fine gold powder. Because of gold's high cost, artists looked for substitutes. Bronze powder tarnished, and iron pyrite or fool's gold lost its sparkle when ground. Coating silver and tin with amber-colored resins was a better option, while some experimented with mercury, a favorite of alchemists, tinted with saffron to imitate gold, a risky choice given its toxicity. Today, modern imitation gold pigments are made of mica coated with titanium and oxides for a convincing gold color free from heavy metals. These pigments can be mixed with any binder, so there's no need for alchemy or dung fires. Just grab a tube, marker, or a spray can for that golden touch.